Alright, how to kickflip. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to know how to do is you're going to have to ollie, which, you know, I don't even know why you'd be watching this video if you don't even know how to ollie yet. Number two, what you're going to have to do is position your feet is, you can put it back here or just anywhere back on the tail, but I prefer like putting it on this side and putting your foot on this side, depending if you're goofy, regular, or Mongo. And your feet, you can put it from the whole way up to here, and whatever does well. If you want to like double kick flip, you should put it probably down here more to get more flip. But yeah, if you put it right here, then that's basically all you have to do. Subscribe.